back out with the pups. Forgot to bring tennis balls. You have to find out as well, like tennis balls aren't supposed to be the greatest thing to be using with retrieving dogs. But I don't know why. I've seen it mentioned a few times on a channel there I follow, but they just kind of brushed over it like they'd mentioned it a million times in the past. So I'm gonna go look for those videos and see what the reasoning is why you shouldn't use tennis balls. I presume it's probably something to do with the chewing and all that. Too sure. Now little dogs, after loves his dad. Hey little dogs, where the fuck are the rest of them? Hey little dogs. Hey Sonny. Hey Sonny. Hey little dogs. Oh good girl. Yeah, that was the other thing as well, like people ask me how to call your dog and how I get them to follow me and how I got them to come and all that, and like the short answer is I don't really know. I just told them come here and they come here, like like I have ideas about it, but it's too philosophical to go into now. Hey little dog. Go fetch. Oh, good dogs. Look, go fetch. Oh, good boy. Loki, you fucker. Come on, ta-ta. You can't have every stick. Oh my god. Loki, come on. Come on up. Come on. Ta-ta. Loki. Ta-ta. Loki. Ta-ta. Loki, come here. Up. Loki, come on. Up, 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 up. Come here, Loki. Good boy. Stay. Sit. Loki, sit. Loki, Loki. Sit. Sit. Loki, sit. Sit. Good dog. Stay now, you. Stay. Stay. Loki. Come on, Loki. Up. Loki. Make me regret bringing you. Come on. Sit. Sit. Stay. Be good now. Just for the pups. Sit. Sit. Loki. What are you doing? Loki. What are you doing? Steady. Stay. Stay. Loki, stay. Good girl. Good girl. Go fetch. Go on, go fetch, little dogs. Go fetch. Go on, little dogs, go fetch. Good boy, good boy, good girl. Go on, go fetch. Good girl. Oh, good girl. Oh, good girl. Oh, good girl. Come on, little dogs. Oh, good dog. Oh, good dogs. Oh, good dogs. Come on. Oh, good little dogs. Oh, good little dogs. I get more sticks. Loki. So yeah, I didn't bring Poppy. Did I mention it already? Yeah, I didn't bring Poppy because, hey, little dogs, where you going? You're getting ahead of yourselves. Yeah, Loki's or Poppy's coming into heat again, I think. Her and Loki there have been getting friendly. So Yeah, I just left her home. Plus she's a maniac with fetch and stuff as well, like wanted to give the pups a chance, like, but Loki's being ultra competitive, the bastard. Oh, good boy! Oh, good boy! Oh, good boy! Yeah, so recalling your dog. If you have one of these dogs, or you get one of these dogs, I suppose the easiest thing to say, to do or say or whatever is, I've been just saying, here little dogs. So you just call them by saying, here little dogs. And then you change the little dog, or you start adding in whatever name you get him. So, you know, with Sonny there, it was like, here little dog. And it's like, here Sonny. And then after that, if you prefer using whistles or anything like that, you just introduce the whistles like that, like, and that's the progression of it. I'm gonna come back for that poo because I'm gonna keep recording for a while. Here, little boy, look. Oh, good dogs. Go on, Loki, go fetch. They're out of the way. Here, little dogs, go fetch. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy, go fetch. Oh, go fetch. Good boy, Sonny. Go on, go fetch. Go on, go fetch. Good boy, Sonny. Go on, Sonny. Yeah, so they're very good for coming on away. Sonny, don't deny him. Come on, Loki. Good boy, ta-ta. Let's go get more and more sticks, because... Hey, wished. Loki, ta-ta. Loki, ta-ta. Hey, it's my stick. Loki, stay. You're not going to stay, are you? You make a disgrace out of me during the video. Loki, stay. Loki, stay. Stay. Good boy. Stay, Loki. Loki, stay. Loki, stay. It's coming right at him. Fine. Oh, good boy. Hey, little dogs. Look at all these sticks. What you do with your stick, Loki? Yeah, I was meant to do other videos as well. I just haven't gotten around to it. Like I promised some people there I'd show about steadying and getting to stay in. Oh, fuck you, Sonny. Jesus, it's wet. You know, and how to get them to stay in the car, that they're not bolting and acting crazy when you're fucking open the doors and shit, or when you open the door to your house, that they're not bolting out or anything like that. Yeah, so hopefully I'll do that. Where are they going? Hi, little boy. Oh, hello, little dog. Oh, what? Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Loki, look, go fetch. Here, little dogs. Alright, here's another thing as well. I said about this in another video, right? And I didn't think much of it, but other people have said it to me that thought it was a great trick or whatever. Loki, get out of the way. So, but I didn't explain it, so I could have explained the whole thing better, right? So, he's having a hassle there now getting out. Fuck off, Loki. So, if you just give them something to push against, come on, little dog, they can use their head to climb out themselves, right? But the disclaimer I'd like to put on that is that, yes, grand, now that was very easy, he's a puppy or whatever, but if you're trying to do that with like Loki, for instance, a full grown dog, you know, he's very strong, like he'd pull you straight in there, like, you know. And the reason I put that in there is because, like, I came across kind of just randomly a sad story on YouTube there one night of a lady out walking her dog, and she ended up drowning or whatever, and nobody knew how she drowned or whatever, like, you know, and nobody wanted to say anything, but it seemed kind of obvious to me anyway that like the dog must have went into the water and was kind of like couldn't get out. And sometimes if they can't get out, like, he was grand there, he was just looking at me, he knew from times in the past that I'm just going to come down and help him out, and it's grand, right? But oh, good boy, oh, good boy, oh, good boy, you getting the sticks? Oh, good dogs. Look, go fetch. Good dog, go on, loads of sticks. Go on, sonny. Yeah, so that's what I reckon happened. Like, the dog couldn't get up maybe a steep bank or something like that, and was panicking, fucking crying, whatever. The owner went down to help her, and the fucking, you know, the dog pulled her in and managed to get out, you know. So you have to make sure when you're doing that, you know, it's different, because, like, if you're pulling them out by the scruff of the neck, which there's nothing wrong with. Oh, here we go now. Hello, little dog. Hello, little dog. Oh, good boy. Alright. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, the good little dogs. Oh, good little dogs. Ta-ta. Come on. Hey. Ta-ta. Oh, good boy. Hey. Come on. Here, little dog. Fine. So if you're pulling them out by the scruff of the neck, it's grand, because you'd brace yourself like you're pulling something, you know. It's just the way you use the force. The way you use the force. But if you're just giving them something to lean against, they're pulling against you, you know what I mean? So yeah, and even sometimes if you do grab them by the back of the neck, they can still use that to try and pull and push, so they could still pull you off balance or whatever. So the best thing, if you have to, the best thing though is to just get them to go to an area where they can get out easy, you know. So I don't know if you noticed in like videos past with when the pups are fucking Jesus Christ, honey. When the pups were smaller, that they were coming over here and I was walking over here and stuff. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Sometimes some of them were standing up against this and they were crying and stuff, you know. And if you see me in the video, I just walked away, which maybe to some of you might have seemed awful, to just leave the little dog there crying and not help it. But you know, you want them to learn for themselves as well, to figure out these things, you know. So it was around here somewhere, and he couldn't get up. So I just came down this way and called him down along, you know what I mean? Because once he gets down to here, he can climb out himself or whatever. You know, that was the idea, but what he actually ended up doing was going back across and jumping in here and swimming over. So, yeah. Good boy, Loki. He's a good boy. Right, he lost all the sticks, did you? Me talking shite. Hey, little dogs. Where you going, little dogs? Hey, hey. Oh, good dogs. Good dog. I guess when you're trying to call your dogs, like, you know what I mean, at the start, like, every time I called them for something was for something positive. Do you know what I mean? They're getting fed, or they're getting rubbed, or they're getting fucking you know, whatever, like, you know, so just that positive reinforcement, like, you know. I haven't had any situation yet where I've had to discipline them for not coming or whatever, or give out to them. But some of them are getting cheeky, you know, going in and out of the house, like, getting a bit more curious about the rest of the park and stuff. That's right, Loki, you love them. So, yeah. So that's it, I got fucking distracted talking. What I wanted to do was play some fetch with the puppies. I thought I could get Loki to be a bit more chilled, but obviously not. He's competitive with the little dogs. Hey, little dogs! Come on, little dogs! Hey, little dogs! Good girl! So she was gonna fucking mile down the road there. Oh, good dogs! Oh, hi, little girl! So yeah, 2 of them are still looking for homes, I suppose. So get on to me if you want a puppy. Oh, good dogs. Oh, good little dogs. Yeah, I was going to try and wear my other camera, like, be hands-free, but fucking the one little thing for tightening the camera down I fucking lost. Good boy, ta-ta. Hey, ta-ta. Now they're pretty good with playing fetch and giving it back, but I haven't done much of it out here. It's been mainly just around the gaff and stuff. Hey, ta-ta. Hey, Good dogs. Oh, good dogs. Oh, good little dogs. Here, Loki. Go fetch. Here, little dogs. Here, go fetch. Good dogs. Go fetch. Oh, good dogs. Go fetch. Go fetch. Good fetch, little dogs. Good dogs. Oh, good dogs. Go on. Go fetch. Oh, good girl. Go on. Go fetch. Go fetch. Go fetch. Go on. Go fetch. Right. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Go on. Good boy. Oh, good dogs. Oh, good dogs. Oh, good little dogs. Oh, good little dogs. Oh, good boy. Fetch. Ray. Come on, little dog. Look. Come on, little dog. Here, little dog. See if he had a name. Now this be a fucking lot handier. Oh, good dogs. Ta-ta. Oh, good boy, Loki. Go fetch. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Go on, go fetch. Where is it? Good girl. Oh, good girl. You just swam right past it. Oh, good girl. Oh, good little dogs. Sonny, you shithead. Stop. Sonny. Stop, up. Oh, my God. Look at you. Ta-ta. Go fetch. Oh, good boy, Loki. Go on, little dogs. Hey, I don't know, I've been already fucking rambling for 20 minutes, jeez wept. I don't know will I upload a whole lot of this, I probably will, but yeah. Loki, wished. Ta-ta. Go fetch! Come on. Oh, good dogs. Come on. Ta-ta, Loki. Oh, good boy, Loki. Come on. Oh, good dogs. And who's going to get it? Loki, I suppose, but have a go anyway. Go fetch. Oh, good dogs. Oh, hello, little dogs. Hey, leave me alone. Come on, Loki. Ta-ta. Good boy. Ta-ta. Oh, good boy, Loki. Go on, go fetch, Loki. Here, little dogs. Oh, good dogs. Come on, little dogs. Oh, good boy. Oh, good boy. Come on. Come on, little dog. Yeah, eat the bark off it. Loki. Come on. Alright, one more time, so. Loki, ta-ta. Loki, ta-ta. Good boy. Loki, show 'em what you got now, right? Over the river. Go fetch. Good boy, Loki. Go on. Oh, good boy, Loki. Oh, he's a good boy. Ta-ta. Alright. Go on, so. I've probably been, yeah. Alright, so that's it. Say bye, everybody. Bye-bye, little dogs. Stop eating grass, honey.